Hey, what's up guys? Good morning. I'm heading over to the DMV right now, and as you can see outside, it's raining. We need this rain. This is the second day that it's been raining, and I typically go snowboarding this time of the year, but some of the photos that I've seen up in the mountains, it's nothing but rocks. There's no snow this year, so I can see this summer being very dry unless there's a miracle and it starts raining from here on. Now, one good thing this morning was I received a call from the local shipping yard telling me that my car lift is here. So I'm super excited, but at the same time, I really don't want to go pick it up because of the weather. So we'll see what happens after the DMV, because I'm thinking that's going to take most of my time today. Much faster than anticipated, I kid you not, 10 minutes. That was probably the best DMV experience I've had in my life. I kid you not. I walked in, it took about 3 minutes to get my number. As I sat down for about 2 minutes, my number was called. I couldn't believe it, so I had to look at the monitor again, and it was my number. So when I went to the desk, I got my paperwork done, and I was out of the DMV within 10 minutes. And maybe it was thanks to the rain. So now I think I'm going to go pick up my car lift. But the weather sucks today. It's gonna be wet, so I don't know if that's gonna be an issue. I guess I'll find out. So I decided not to go earlier and came home, but then I noticed that it stopped raining, so now I'm gonna make the trip over there to see if I can pick it up. I'm pretty excited about picking up this lift. I never thought I would need a car lift in my life until I got the GTR. Most of the major components, if you're going to overhaul a GTR, you'll need a lift. I thought about picking up the Max Jacks, but that lift can only go up to about 4 feet high, and that's not high enough for me. Now, the problem with owning a lift, especially living in a house with a garage, is that your garage ceiling height may not be that high. In my case, I only have a 9-foot ceiling height, so my options became limited. I wouldn't mind buying a Bendpak, but the problem with the Bendpak was that it was way taller than my ceiling height in my garage. So after some time researching, which took me probably a good week or two, I found the ideal lift that'll fit in my garage. And if you guys are looking for a lift, this might be the one for you also. Now, the great feature to it was that it'll fit in my 9-foot garage. The other good thing is that it's portable. I have an idea where I'm going to be placing this thing, but first I'm going to have to check if the foundation is adequate so that it's safe. I saw it over there at the yard when I was coming in, so I hope it fits the truck. Just my luck, it's about 1:15 right now, and everyone is still out on lunch, so I'm probably gonna have to wait a few minutes before they get back. But since I'm waiting, why don't we go check it out? This is it. It looks like it's 2 of them. So I don't know if both of these are mine. I think they are, but this is kind of weird. So it looks like there's 2 of them, because there's 4 posts. I don't know if this is all mine or if someone else in town ordered another one. Oh, that's me right there. Oh wow, so someone did order another one. What a coincidence, right? 2 people living in the same town ordering the same lift and receiving it at the same time. What are the odds? That did look strange to me, because when I first saw it, I saw 4 pieces and I was like, I don't remember it being 4 pieces. 2 I do recall, but 4, that's strange. Better do this. There. Looks good. Yeah. Thank you very much.
You got it. Have a wonderful day.
You too, thank you. I'm so glad that it fit perfectly in my 8-foot bed. I was able to close the gate too. Now, my next problem is going to be unloading it at my house. So I'm hoping that I can disassemble it, and maybe with a few helping hands, I can take it into my backyard. I think I forgot to mention which model this lift was. This is the Triumph C7000. 7,000 meaning 7,000 pounds maximum capacity. The good part, like I mentioned, is that it'll fit under a 9-foot ceiling, and I understand I won't be able to lift my car that high, but I have the possibility, being that it's portable, to relocate this into a different area where the ceiling is higher, where I can lift the car higher if I need to. So let's take a look at what it looks like. I'm gonna need some metal shears for the metal straps. Here we go. This is probably for the oil lubrication container. First part to go. What I'll do now is I'll just start unscrewing the bolts for the columns. Pretty good idea, because forklifts can use this to lift instead of lifting the unit itself and damaging it. I think that's it for today, because I'm gonna need at least 5 people to help me lift it off, or what I was thinking of is use my engine lift, which someone has borrowed and not returned. So I'm going to have to continue this video at a later date. I got a hold of the person who borrowed my engine lift, and he should be returning it this evening. And if that's the case, it's gonna be dark anyway, so I'll do it tomorrow. So being that I have some time, I'm gonna go hit the gym because, you know, it's the new year and that's just what people do. I'll see you guys in the next one.